So hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an introduction or a beginning to a new series which is inspirational stories, and that will be posted on every Sunday. So please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. So without any further delay, let's get the intro rolling. So today we have a special guest over here, Khali sir. We are happy to have you here.
Hello guys, what's up?
I know, yeah. I know that Khali sir won't be here, but someday if it is possible, it will mean a lot to me. So let's hope for that. And even in our introduction, we had him over here. So let's talk about his inspirational story. Maybe the present generation may not be knowing about him. Maybe like he's a TikTok guy, he's a Instagram reel guy, okay, standing with the camera and all. But he has a definite history which you guys should know. And that's why I'm here. And it means a lot more than just creating thug videos or roast videos. You should know these facts, right? And let's begin our series with the Great Khali story. So Great Khali was born as Dalip Singh Rana in a small village in Dhiriara in Himachal Pradesh. He was born to Jwala Ram and Tandi Devi and was one among the 7 kids who had to fight their poverty out. Due to financial constraints, Khali had to work as a roadside labourer and had to break stones for his daily bread. But beneath these struggles, he had something in his favour: acromegaly. It's a rare disease that gave him gigantism and rare protrusions of face, like his chin, as we all know. Some are making mockery of it, but he took it as granted, and it was a big thing for him. After working as a roadside labourer for a while, he then moved to Shimla to work as a watchman. Yeah, you heard it right. Now here's where his life is going to change a lot. And here's that moment where Waqt badal di, jazbaat badal di wali feeling is coming. Here's where he got spotted by the Punjab former police chief, Mr. Mahal Singh Bhullar, who is renowned to be helping several players from the Punjab police attain international recognition. The unusual height of Khali was a blessing in disguise for him. He never knew that this is going to help him somewhere in the future. Mahal Singh offered Dalip a job, and not only to him but to his brother. Khali first ignored it, but later had to agree on this, that his brother is also getting a job. And both had to leave Shimla and had to join the Balle Balle Punjab. After joining the Punjab police, Khali felt that he had to join bodybuilding, and he got very much fascinated by it, that he started building his own body in the local gym. On a local telecast of Worldwide Federation match, Khali was so much fascinated that he just wanted to be there. He did not know the complex storyline or the science behind the match. He just wanted to go there and beat up the guys, and he knew that he could do it better. Khali had found his calling. He had to take a decision between a sarkari job or to pursue a distant dream, and Khali took the big game. In 1999, Khali went to the US and joined the All Pro Wrestling APW as a boot camp trainee. He tagged himself as Giant Singh and made his debut on October 7, 2000, where he had to team up with Tony Jones in a match against Westside Players. On May 28, 2001, Khali's career came to a big blow when his fellow wrestler Brian Ong succumbed to death after taking a flapjack from Khali. But Khali cannot be accounted for Brian Ong's death because Ong had several concussions in the past history, and it was the trainers which allowed him to fight. In 2006, Vince McMahon noticed Great Khali in the longest yard and wasted no time in adding the giant to the roster. Khali had the options of the Great Bhima, the Great Shiva, but due to his love for Lord Mahakali, Khali went for the name the Great Khali. On May 21, 2006, Khali defeated the mighty Undertaker at the Judgment Day on his debut. And from there, he embarked on a journey that lasted almost for a decade. Khali was the first Indian to be added in the WWE. And in 2007, he won the 20-man battle to be the World Heavyweight Champion. By May 2011, Khali suffered a series of losses, as his character was used as a springboard for new upcoming talents in the WWE. On July 26, 2012, Khali had undergone a surgery due to his tumor caused by the acromegaly. his rare disease. He left WWE in 2014 as his contract was expired. And in the same year, US citizenship was given to Great Khali. The Great Khali began his training academy, Continental Wrestling Entertainment, on February 2015, and they hosted their first ever inaugural match on December 12, 2015. However, Khali returned to the WWE on July 23, 2017 in a SmackDown match Punjabi Prison to assist his old mate Jinder Mahal in a match against Randy Orton. And that's the story of a town tall boy who had a rare disease to becoming a world champion. That's it. Thank you guys. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Viral Chalk, it's free, and keep the bell icon on so that you can get the latest notification. And yeah, keep smiling, let's spread happiness, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.